Daddy, what is yoga?
What is yoga? Well, you know, some people do yoga just to stretch, like we do after boxing. You know, we just want to feel better, yeah? There are other people that do yoga so they can return back to stardust.
You mean like the dinosaurs when they died and they returned?
Yes, they return back to stardust. Some yogis in India want to return back to stardust. What they want is they want to go home.
What? Like E.T.?
Yes, exactly like E.T. That is genius. Yoga people say that everybody will feel lost one day and they just want to go home, back to the universe.
Wait, universe is space, right? They want to go home. I want to go home because you're boring.